Napaka-importante po yan. In as much as tandaan ho natin, ang alam lang namin ngayon, is yung kanilang timeline from July 17, mula din Pasar Bali, lumipad sila papuntang Kuala Lumpur ng July 18, dumating sila 12:05 sa Kuala Lumpur. Then from Kuala Lumpur, lumipat po sila hanggang Singapore naman po. Then they stayed in Singapore up until July 21. Then July 21 onwards hanggang noong August 18 nakalipad po sila papunta ng Batam sa Indonesia.
Yeah.
Dalawang tao po doon ay mayroong lookout bulletin. Ito po ay si Wesley Go at saka si Alice Leal Guo. Now, clarify po natin, ang lookout bulletin ay hindi sapat para i-hold ang isang tao. But sapat po yun para mag-trigger ng reportorial mechanism. Ipagbigay alam ng immigration officer kay Commissioner Tansinco, ipagbigay alam dito kay Secretary of Justice Remulla. Pero lumalabas po na hindi sila dumaan sa immigration. So, sa papaanong proseso sila nakalabas? Pwedeng chartered flight, pwedeng by fast boat, seacraft. Kahit pa po sa papaanong paraan sila lumabas, hindi ho magagawa yun kung silang apat lamang po. May mga pribadong individual na tumulong at baka meron pang mga public officials na tumulong. Yun po yung laman ng public statement ng ating mahal na Pangulo na malaman kung sino ang mga tumulong para mapapanagot po natin.
Sir, as early as now, meron na ba kayong inaay kung sino yung mga possible na public officials?
As of now, wala pa ho. It would be unfair to name people in the absence of solid evidence. But again, reason and logic dictate that they would not have been able to pull this off kung silang apat lamang po. So other people have obviously enabled them to be able to get out of this country.
Sir, base po doon sa initial information na nakuha nyo, ano po yung ginagawa ni na Cassandra at saka nitong si Sheila doon sa mall sa Indonesia nung mahuli?
Well, I haven't been able to talk to our Indonesian counterparts. All that we have discussed in relation to these people were basic facts, saan sila nakatigil, at doon sa lugar kung saan sila nakatigil, sino yung tumulong para magbayad sa kanilang hotel bill. As to what they were doing in the mall, hindi pa ho tapos yung pakikipag-usap sa kanila. So maybe ang NBI po ang mas mainam na matanong ninyo after they conclude their interview with this personality.
Pero sir, may idea po ba tayo kung nasaan na si Alice Guo? Tukoy po ba natin yung kanyang lokasyon ngayon?
Tayo po ay nakikipagbigay ugnayan sa ating mga foreign counterparts para matrigger yung tinatawag nating blue notice. Ito pong blue notice, ito po ay isang legal tool, law enforcement tool sa ilalim ng Interpol kung saan tutulungan po tayo ng ating mga foreign counterparts to locate, identify the whereabouts of persons linked to criminal activity. So, in the next few hours, hopefully hours lang, not days, ay mabibigyan po tayo ng mas konkretong impormasyon ng mga taga-Indonesia, siguro maging ng Malaysia at saka Singapore kung papaano or kung nasaan po yung pag-ikot-ikot nito ni Alice Guo at maging ng kanyang kapatid na si Wesley.
Opo. Sir, may pinapakita po kaming picture sa TV ngayon. Galing po ito sa inyo sa PAOK. Pinapakita po namin yung larawan ni Alice Guo na may mga bit-bit na bag. Pwede po bang pakidescribe kung kailan po ito nakuha, saan po ito nakuha, paano po ito nakuha ng PAOK?
Meron ho kasing, I think if I'm not mistaken, that was taken on the day of July 21 when Alice Leal Guo flew from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, back to Singapore. Tapos, one of the individuals who was, another Filipino who was on the same flight or another Filipino who was in the Kuala Lumpur International Airport was able to identify her and took a picture, and then it reached us, no? And we tried to our very best to verify the picture at nag-match po siya doon sa timeline ng pagkuha ng picture at saka yung timeline na nalaman namin na lumipad siya papuntang Singapore based on the Malaysian immigration record.